Good day, I'm Messi, and today we are going to be discussing about one of the most accurate strategy that we can use to scalp in boom and crash. This scalping strategy is very accurate, it's very effective. We can simply say it's almost 99.9% effective. It's very accurate, this strategy. Trust me, it works very well. I've been using it, I've tested it, and I've seen the results. It works perfectly. So we are going to be using this scalping strategy in boom 1000, boom 500, crash 1000, as well as in crash 500. Please kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, like and share this video, and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified wherever I post new content and wherever I go live. Thank you. With this scalping strategy, we are going to take 3 candles. Traders, we are going to take only 3 candles. We don't need to be greedy, but we just need to be accurate, So with those 3 candles, I guarantee you, I tell you, you can even double your account. You can even reach $100. Even if you begin trading with a $20 account, you can reach $100 by the end of the day. How are we going to make large profit like that? Make sure that the lot size that we are going to be using, the lot size depends with the amount that you have, but make sure that the lot size that you use allows you to get $1 per each candle. So this means that when we take our first trade, we take our 3 candles. When you close your first trade, you'll be having $3. Just imagine you've begun trading with a $20 account, then you take maybe 10 trades. If you take 10 trades, I assure you, by the end of those 10 trades, you'll be having something like $30 profit. And if you repeat that again and again, if you just take maybe 30 trades, you reach $100. So this strategy works. It's very effective. It's very accurate. There are minimum chances that we can be caught by a spike. Scalping, we will be on our 1 minute time frame. As you can see on my chart, I'm on my 1 minute time frame. That's where we'll be scalping, and we'll be taking only 3 candles. So let's quickly go to the settings so that we can take a look at the indicators which we are going to be using in this strategy. So when you want to add the indicator, first of all, you need to click on the F icon. So you come here, you click on the F icon here. Then when you click your F icon, as you can see, you come here, you scroll down, you come here where there's Bill Williams, and we want this accelerator oscillator. That's the first that we are going to be using. Then here on the pixel, make sure that, like me, I've chosen 4 pixel so that it becomes clear where on your chart. Then the style, the value up and the value down, you choose colors of your own choice. We are not going to add anything. You just make sure that the pixel, you increase the pixel so that when you put the indicator on your chart, it will be clear. Then when you are done, you click done. Then if you go back to our chart, you see we now have the accelerator oscillator, but you are not going to be using the accelerator oscillator on its own. We need to add another indicator. So we click again the F icon. After clicking the F icon, because we want to add the indicator on another window, we want window 2. So for us to be able to get the window 2, we first click the F icon, which is on the main chart. So you come here on the main chart, you see this F icon on the main chart, you click, then you scroll down going to the Bill Williams. When you come to Bill Williams again, we are going to choose the awesome oscillator. You click on the awesome oscillator, then on the pixel, choose 4 pixels so that it becomes clear on your chart. Then make sure the colors that you choose on the first indicator, that is the accelerator oscillator, should be the same with the color that you choose on the awesome oscillator. Like me, I've been using green and blue on the first one, so I'll just continue using blue, green and red at the same time. Then when you are done, we are not going to add anything, we are just using these default values. When you are done, you click done. As you can see, we now have the indicator window 2. Then you go back to our chart. You come back to our chart, you see we now have the awesome oscillator here as well as the accelerator oscillator. Now we have our awesome oscillator and the accelerator oscillator on the chart. And as you can see, this is crash 1000. So pay attention to how we are going to use this strategy to scalp. Like I have said earlier, we are only taking 3 candles, and make sure that on those 3 candles you get $1 on each candle. So it depends with your equity. You can even get more than that. It depends with how big your account is. How does this strategy work? When we are in crash 1000, crash 500, make sure that there is a coherence of colors. There has to be an agreement of the colors on the accelerator oscillator as well as on the awesome oscillator. And when you are in crash, there has to be a coherence of the green color. Both your indicators has to show the green color. Then you enter the market. Like here, as you can see, this is the accelerator oscillator. You see there's a green color. When you come here to the awesome oscillator, there's also a green color. Whenever there's a condition like this, whenever there's a condition of the green color, while it's here in crash, you enter the market, you buy. Like we have said, you only buy 3 candles. You take your 3 candles. After 3 candles, immediately close your trade. You take your profits. This strategy is very effective. As you can see here, after taking 3 candles, you can't even be caught by a spike. Let's take a look at another example where there was an agreement between the 2 indicators so that we can enter the market and make money in crash. Here's another very good example. As you can see, there's an agreement. There's green on the awesome, there's green on the accelerator. You enter your crash, be it crash 1000 or crash 500. You take 3 candles. After 3 candles have closed, you exit the market, you take your profits. As you can see, the spike wasn't closed. So that's why I was saying that this strategy is very effective. Let's take a look at another example. Here, there's a coherence of colors between our 2 indicators. We enter the market, take your 3 candles and make profits. I'm sure you can agree with me that this strategy is very profitable, and it's even if it is said that there's no strategy that is 100% effective, I'm sure you can agree with me that with this one, it's almost there. We can say 99.99999. It's very profitable. It's very effective. Let's go to boom and see if the strategy works as well. This is boom 1000. Then when you are in boom, make sure that there's a coherent of the red color. Whenever there's the red color on the awesome oscillator as well as on the accelerator oscillator, you enter the market, and in boom, we will be selling. So let's quickly take a look at some examples where our strategy was effective. Like here, you see, there's red color on both our indicators. You enter the market, take your 3 candles. After 3 candles, immediately close the trades, take your profit. Let's take a look at Other example where the strategy was effective. Here, as you can see, there's concurrence of the green, of the red color, on the awesome as well as on the accelerator. We enter the market as well. We take 3 candles. Then after 3 candles, we immediately close the market. We take our profits. This strategy really work. Let's take a look at another example. If you come here, as you can see, there's red on both our indicators. You can enter the market, take 3 candles, and exit the market. So this is how the strategy works. It's very simple. You can use this strategy on your PC. You can use this strategy on your phone. So this strategy works. You can make money. You can make a lot of profit using this strategy. It's very effective, and there's no risk. You can't be caught by the spike. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next video.